Today we're looking into a bizarre celebrity legal drama that captured the media's attention in the US and abroad for days. Going on a ski vacation, taking part on a legal showdown, and you guessed it, the star of the show was none other than A-list celebrity Gwyneth Paltrow. We'll cram 10 days of drama and high fashion into our review of this case, which pitted a retired eye doctor and military veteran against Paltrow. In the end, Paltrow prevailed as her team of lawyers branded the claims of the eye doctor nothing but utter BS. Was this case worthy of the media and the millions of eyeballs locked into their screens to witness the trial of the rich and famous? Or, was it the celebrity curiosity of a slightly toxic mix of class envy and maybe even misogyny that distracted us? We'll break down the lowdown of what happened. It all began in a small mountain town in Utah where Paltrow was skiing with her children, Apple and Moses. Although Paltrow and the instructors were teaching the kids to ski, the eye doctor was making wide, fast turns on the bunny slope. A crash ensued and the doctor blamed Paltrow for his injuries, which included 4 rib fractures and a concussion that he says produced lasting brain impairment. The trial saw Paltrow spare no expense in recruiting expert witnesses to defend her. Both parties argued over who was responsible for the ski crash, and in the end it was found that Paltrow was not liable. After the trial, Paltrow said it would have compromised her integrity to acquiesce to false claims, while the doctor questioned why anyone would take on a celebrity. The court case wasn't just good for Paltrow's career and legal standings, it also did good for her business. Immediately after the verdict, Goop's web searches skyrocketed by 195% according to Japan 101. Paltrow was also praised in the media for her high wasp attitude and her refusal to yield to convention. But a noticeable gap in the trial were the questions that were left unanswered, such as what was an eye doctor, blind in the right eye and with cataracts in the left, doing trying to ski on a beginner's slope. The media only furthered the trial's popularity by giving us all the necessary elements of a great story, such as stealth wealth outfit changes and iconic courtroom lines. In the end, though the legal drama and oftentimes great comedy played out in the courtroom, we have to ask ourselves, was it actually worth it? Was this even something we needed to know, or just a failed attempt at distracting us from the more serious topics happening in the world today, from the Trump indictment to the riots in France and a bloody war in the Ukraine? The truth is that we can speculate all we want about why this particular case was met with so much attention, but the bottom line is that celebrity is a powerful thing. And it has the ability to attract millions of viewers and millions of dollars. But it also has a way of making us question what is really important and what isn't. So I guess the question for us to answer today is, did we learn something from the case of Gwyneth Paltrow and the eye doctor? Ultimately, I guess we'll never truly know.